Which credit card stock is better, Visa or Mastercard? Let's take a look. But before we do, my name is Kenneth and I talk about the stock market, investing, living below your means, and hopefully retiring early because we all know working kind of sucks. So if any of that is interesting to you, smash that follow. I designed this template that you're about to see, which allows you to compare two stocks of a similar sector, so Visa to Mastercard. While we're here, I have a similar template that compares to ETFs. So if that's interesting, you can use that template as well. Well, you're going to go right here. This is my website right there. And you're going to click on the menu, which is right here. And you are going to see all the templates right here. You're going to click on the stock fight template. And you're going to see all this, blah, blah, blah. But right here is a link to the template. And I've already taken the time to fill out this template so we can go over Visa versus Mastercard and see which one is better for us. We got Visa versus Mastercard. Visa at $276 per share, Mastercard at $458. And in the last 12 months, Visa and Mastercard went up around 20%, 23% for Mastercard. And the 5-year growth is kind of similar too, 95% to 113%. Things get a little different over the last 10 years though. Visa only up 388% to Mastercard, up 492%. Both of these companies have a somewhat similar market cap, a somewhat similar dividend, and a somewhat similar 5-year dividend growth. They also are considerably overvalued when you compare them to the price to earnings ratio of the sector at large. It is clear that over the last couple of years, Visa has had much higher revenue and much higher net income than Mastercard. They also have way more assets than Mastercard, and they also have a little bit more debt than Mastercard. But they also have way more cash and investments and a higher free cash flow. Analysts who study these stocks both agree that Visa has a potential upside of around 10% and Mastercard has a potential upside of around 11%. There's something else that's a little bit concerning here, and that it is credit card delinquencies surpass pre-pandemic levels. And these credit card delinquencies aren't just a problem for credit card companies, but they could spell trouble for the larger economic situation. Companies like Visa or Mastercard could have higher default rates, which could negatively impact their stock. And this could impact stuff like revenue. These delinquencies are just one part of an overall potential problem, but it's definitely something as an investor that you would want to consider before investing in a credit card company such as Mastercard or Visa.